Hi, I'm good. uh, just we've just ended the PowerShell sessions, the conference. I feel tired, but I really feel accomplished. I feel like there's a lot that I have learned here. It's not just that I've contributed to the community, but the community contributed to me as well.
Oh, that's great to hear. So, tell us more about yourself. What do you do?
Currently, I work as a Microsoft consultant here in Singapore, and I mostly specialize on apps. Uh, and my expertise is more on SharePoint. And I started on SharePoint since 2007 up till now, which is 2013. And well, if should you know that I've only started PowerShell very, very recently. I know that it has been there ever since. I just didn't know that it was this useful for me to know, especially when I'm dealing with SharePoint.
So what prompted you to learn PowerShell?
Well, if there is really one thing that I remember making me desperate to use PowerShell was when I was tasked to configure or administer things on Office 365, because there are certain functionalities there that I really cannot do via the UI, so I really need to do it via PowerShell. And yeah, even though it's not SharePoint, it's really something that I needed to do in SharePoint that, I couldn't have done in any other way except PowerShell.
So how did you start? When you realized that you have to learn PowerShell, how did you start learning PowerShell?
Okay, I'm kind of guilty about this. It's more like searching scripts online that are made available, and then trying to understand those scripts, make researches on different blog posts, different articles, and then build my script on my own.
Yeah, that's actually a very good approach.
It is.
In fact, it suggests people that when they're looking for solutions, they actually don't reinvent the wheel. They actually go look for scripts and then start understanding what exactly is there in the script. That's a great approach, actually.
Yes, it is. But then, actually, I realized in this PowerShell conference, what I have missed all through this out is, why have I been looking on articles, on blog posts, when in fact there is a budding community, like you yourself have been contributing, wherein whatever I might have been doing right now has been done long time ago, and all I needed to do is actually search for that script inside GitHub or any other repository. I mean, yeah, I really think that at that time, should I have known about this GitHub, it would be good as well. I mean, yeah. But thank you.
In PowerShell, is there something that you don't like or you think that can be improved?
Okay. Don't like is a strong word. It's for me, I still treat myself as a beginner in PowerShell. So I really can't say that there's something that I don't like about it. It's mostly I'm kind of confused whether this PowerShell is mostly for developers like me or for system administrators and the likes. So I had this notion, and this is the reason why I didn't prioritize learning PowerShell before. I had this notion that I needed to have a mindset of an IT pro in order to learn PowerShell. It's not. It's only recently that I realized, okay, the more they increase the version of PowerShell, the more they make it developer friendly. So it's, I really won't say I don't like it. I actually like it because it's making our lives easier. It's just that right now, the message for me is not so clear. Whether do I need to understand how IT pros think, or do I need to retain my identity as a developer and don't need to adjust my mindset into learning scripting rather than programming?
I think the answer is in DevOps, where developers and operations should work together.
Yes,
and PowerShell is definitely one of the vehicles that enables it.
Okay.
I don't think you're confused. It's just that you do both.
Yeah, that's a good point. point, actually. Now that you've mentioned about it, yeah, that's probably the answer.
All right. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks for your time.
Yeah.
It's very nice talking to you.
Yeah, you too. Thank you, Ravi.